Yes, now small problem it is. For MCQs, most of the time like this it will come, either investing activities or financing activities. So from the following information, calculate cash flow from financing activities. See here. Share capital, sometime for a state board also this will be asked. For your 6 marks question it will be asked for your. So share capital 10 lakhs and 15 lakhs, debentures are 2 lakhs, bank loan is 1 lakh. That is for, here see here, this is previous year and that is current year. Please be safe. Sometime both the types of I have done. Taking first is your previous year, current year. Some are with current years and previous years and current years. Please look at the problem and start doing. Dividend proposed and paid during the year 1,50,000. Dividend tax paid 15,000. This is on your shares and debentures. The dividend are paid. Fine. So let us, very simple problem, small problem is there. In 2 minutes we can finish it off. So cash flow from financing activities. Cash flow from financing activities. So cash flow from financing. What are they given? Share capital, opening is 10 lakhs, closing is 15 lakhs. So proceed. Particular amount. Enough, one column is enough for us. Proceed. Proceed from your issue of, what is that? Proceed from issue of share capital. Proceed from issue of share capital. So 5 lakhs you get, closing is more than the opening. Then go with your debentures. Now debenture opening is given, not closing. So debenture redemption. Redemption of debenture 2 lakhs. Yes, we got it. Bank loan, that is paid. So opening is given, closing is given for us. Bank loan, proceed from raising the funds. Raising the funds. Bank loan. How much bank loan is? 1 lakh. Positive. If it was opening, we would have paid. Now paid is your dividend paid here. Dividend paid. This is on shares and debentures only. Paid during the year 1,50,000. Simple, they'll give you dividend tax paid. Yes. Always there is in company account, when dividend is given, tax also will be calculated. Dividend tax paid. Dividend tax paid is 15,000. Yes. Now your total intake, cash. Let us see whether positive is more or negative. Positive is more, you get cash from investing activities. If negative is more, cash used in financial. Like that you have to write. So 2 lakhs plus 2 lakhs plus 1,15,000. Yeah, 3,65,000 minus of 6 lakhs. 2,35,000 you will get? Yes. 2,35,000. This is cash from financing activities. Yes. Cash from financing activities. Clear? The concept of cash flow is clear. Management accounting, we did the ratios, all different types of ratios we did. Comparative, very easy, don't give up. Fill in the blanks comes, please see that I have shown you one problem. So that percentage on your sales you will get. If it is the balance sheet problem missing, percentage on your total asset, total liability will give you the balance. Comparative they give, then the difference what you do now, that percentage you have to do, you will try to get this one. Immediately you will come to know with the difference absolute is given, opening is given. So opening minus the absolute change, the difference will be the closing. So because closing minus the opening, opening minus the closing. So for comparative, any missing comes, it is very easy for you all to predict and put it. For common size, you have to see to that percentage. Base here you have to see and take up your missing figures. Clear? So that we have done comparative common. Income as per the Companies Act, Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013 only, like that only you have to present your revenue account and this. If they ask financial accounting, they may ask you balance sheet or income statement. So you have to do as per Part 2 of Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013, revenue from operation, other income, expense, purchase, that is your material consumed you can take if you have opening of raw material, purchase of raw material, direct expenses on purchase minus your closing stock, or stock and trade, like if they give you purchase on stock in trade, if they give, that is in trading concern. Then change in inventory you will have. You have employees benefit, finance cost, and then you have debenture and amortization and expenses, other expenses. You will get profit before tax. If they give you income tax, minus it. If they give you percentage, please, that percentage you do on profit before tax. On that you have to do, you will get your income tax, you minus that, you will get profit after tax. Then you compare for whether they are comparative or common size, you can do that. Share capital, so many times, if you are not able to get that, if they ask you final accounts and they are comparative balance sheet if they give, please see the comparative balance sheet. That same thing you can put it in financial statement of balance sheet, financial accounting. If final accounts of a balance sheet, they ask you by giving some item, you can see that comparative or common size which is given. Share capital, shareholders fund, share capital, reserve and surplus, non-current liabilities like debenture, bank loan. Then you have long borrowings are there, long provision for borrowings long term. Then you have current liabilities you will have. Then short-term borrowings are there, all that. Assets, plant, property, plant and equipment, intangible, tangible. Then you may have non-current investment which is more than 12 months. Then you have current asset, inventory, trade payable, cash and cash equivalent. Then other current assets are prepaid, preliminary expense, like that you can do. So this is all like my advice for all the students is for ISC and CBSE. So to make it very much confidence, please see that you work out your B section first. 20 marks, yes, you are with confidence that yes, I have done here, 20 marks I'm able to score. Then you come back because whole of partnership is there, company accounts are there, so accounts of companies like shares and debentures are there and all. So but if you are very well prepared with your confidence in the first part, if you want to go as first part, please go as a first part. So please, time management is very, very important for you all, okay? Yes. Now we are left with company accounts, that is account of company's accounts like, that is your, this one, issue of shares and debentures, that we will do. Issue of shares, we will, Monday and Tuesday we will try to complete that. Issue of shares, I will take general entries, journal entries, and then simple problem 1 or 2 will do, then oversubscribe will do, forfeiture and reissue of shares which are likely to come in the exam. Debentures, one simple interest calculation of debenture will do, and one with redemption, issue with premium, redeemable with par, or issued with par, redeemable with premium. All those 1 or 2 problems will do, so that the whole completion of my revision is over. So this will really benefit all the students all over. Globally it will benefit whoever are writing approaching exams. It will be more benefited. Okay, thank you.